Hi everyone. This is just an update of what's going on at the moment. So I had a consultation on Tuesday, which the net result was I'm not having a steroid injection to alleviate with my trapped nerve. So they're actually operating. Well, they are going to be operating. They're opting for a operation now, and for which I'll be going under the knife on the 7th of September. What they will be doing is they will be chucking in something like this. So this is an artificial disc, so I'll be a bit of a robo-gav and then recover after that. I will admit yesterday was probably one of the most excruciating evenings ever. Resulted in me wriggling around in pain, which is not nice for me, not nice for my wife to watch, because there's absolutely nothing that she can do. The nerve blockers, they have a slight impact. So, I mean, at the moment I look relatively okay, but I'm conscious of the more I'm going to start moving after being almost motionless, wedged in pillows to sleep, I'm gonna be in pain again, and this is now a daily occurrence. So I'm actually happily counting down the days. There are risks with the surgery. The first statement out of the surgeon's mouth was, I could paralyse you if I slip with my knife. I thought, great, thanks for that, mate. The other one is stroke, because of the way that they go in through the throat, so that's obviously nerving. The other one is loss of voice because of what they're going to do. I'm going to try and find some animation for this and see whether I can get it put onto a video. But essentially they go in through the front of your throat, open it up, and then start doing their magic to get it sorted. I just really do wish that they are going to be successful with this. This pain's immense and absolutely crippling. If anyone, well, I know that there's a few subscribers who do know me personally. I'm not the person that you knew then. I'm a different person. Can't really move around at all that much. It's very depressing. But anyway, we'll continue. I'm about to start work now, so I'll see how that goes, and then update you as and when. Bye bye.